Hello folks, well we're on a road trip. It's Bank Holiday Monday. Is it the 3rd today, Mr. Chippie?
Probably.
Anyway, something like that, it doesn't matter. Oh, where's the piggies? They were there.
Here.
They're here, yeah. Little piggies.
Turkey or what?
Oh, turkey is for Christmas, not for life. Road trip. We're going to go and pick up a broken table radio, which is a Regentone, which Mr.
Radiogram.
Yeah, it is a radiogram. It's a bit bizarre. It's a table radio. I've seen an Irish gentleman do an overhaul, I think, on one of these on YouTube. So it'll be a forthcoming attraction with me if I survive that long. So that's, is it T199? We'll go into greater details when we actually see it. And that's near Corby, is it?
Yeah, it's a Kettering postcode, but it's more. I think it looks to be nearer Corby than Kettering.
I could have picked up all that order for all those batteries from RS, couldn't I?
Yeah.
And not had to not pay postage. So, yeah, Corby, Northants. Mr. Chippie's bought a broken guitar amplifier, and where's that? Loughbrough, right. So we're going to go there and do those two thingies. So Mr. Chippie's decided to come here for Bank Holiday rather than be at home. We're in Ancaster, and we're just going to go to the post office and pick up a parcel for me from the in-post box. Is it what it's called? Or have I made that? The locker, yeah.
Post locker.
So, it's good.
It's not the new one at the co-op.
No. So as we enter Ancaster, the co-op's here, and there's a inbox locker going to be here.
Building something as well.
Yeah. No, that's still not operational. There's no aerial on top. So we're going to go to the one at the post office, which is brilliant. And what's good about these lockers is there's none of this, you weren't in, we're taking it back to the depot and losing it. So anybody who wants to send things in for repair, the Ermine Street in-post locker is a very, very good way to do it. So I'm just going to do that, and we will be on our merry way. 50 odd miles is it to the first drop?
About that.
Yeah, we'll need to put some electricity in the car, no doubt, from time to time. Chosen to go on the electric car with the price of oil and that. We've charged this car fully on our solar panels at home. Keep the cost down. And there is the in-post locker. Wow. We might just have caught the tail end of a train then. Right, well, this is an interesting bit of road as we come under this railway bridge. And Mr. Chippie says we're going down Pothole Street.
It was last time. Broken cars on the side of the road.
It's quite a bit of a hill. This is what stops us from, when I'm at Tango Towers, in talking to people at Colsterworth, which is only 10 miles away on the CB. So although it would be in range, we've got this hill in the way, and that's just what neatly knocks it out. So when you get to the top of hill, that's the extent of range of what we would get on CB radio, which is, what do you reckon it is, about 8.5 miles to here? To Tango Towers.
I see the cold storage facility now.
Yes, that's a cold storage. So only if you buy, I don't know, those fries to go, a bit like...
the cold storage facility is not to do with McCain's.
No, but within that site is the fries to go factory. So not the McCain...
This storage facility is called Magnavale.
Magnavale, yes. Can get a job there with a split shift, you know, or have you do...
And there's a bus goes through Grantham, it says Magnavale.
It does, yes, busing all these people in. So a big employer in the area, vegetable processing and packing and all that. So, we will come back to the camera. Well, are the potholes better today?
Well, not long after we went down there and saw the broken cars at the side of the road,
wheels hanging off.
They closed the road to do something, so I'm hoping they resurfaced it, but
Yeah, yeah, here we are. Oh, that's okay done, isn't it? That. So pothole streets improved. Right, we'll come back to the video in a bit. So we're in Northamptonshire, and we've just gone through Easton-on-the-Hill. So.
I went in Northamptonshire.
Yeah, it just said.
Did it?
It said Northamptonshire.
I was looking, I was driving.
Were you? Yeah, I thought you wouldn't be bothering looking at all. Like the policeman says, whose fault was this accident? I don't know, I wasn't looking. We have got 13 miles to go, unlucky for some.
Going to Collie Weston's the next village, isn't it?
Collie Wobbles? Collie Weston.
Where the sheep are from.
Oh, yes. Aren't they the sheep that can breed at any time of the year that Mr. Thingy has at Kelby?
Yeah,
I think that's a possibility, because some sheep only can come into season one time of the year, but I think it's the Collie Western ones can have offspring at any time of the year. Going through Collie Western now. You'd have thought the CB would have said something by now, wouldn't you?
Would if it was turned on.
Oh. Whoops.
It is unknown, it's not nothing.
We're also about half a mile from the village we're going to, and we need to be looking for a thatched cottage. So, he says on our sat nav in 650 yards we will be there. We put the sat nav for the centre of the village, which is the church, and the vendor is a stone's throw from the church. This is a Facebook marketplace thing. I don't do Facebook, but Mr. Chippie has done it on my behalf. So there we go. I can certainly see a church. And a bend, round a bend, and we're looking for a thatched cottage, and there's a thatched cottage.
It's not this one though, or is it?
No, it's the wrong thatched cottage. Faster there being more than one.
It's past the church,
and it's the next. That's the other thatched cottage.
Yeah, there's a little one here.
Yep.
And yeah, it's this one on the corner down here.
Okay, well there we are. So we'll come back to the camera later on, not straight away, because I don't want the customer seeing me doing a video. A vendor, I mean. So we're just at Northampton McDonald's, putting some charge in. And here we are. So this is this tabletop radiogram. And this pops down and you will see the record turntable is there inside, and the vendor promises it doesn't work, so I'd hate to be disappointed. I think it's where's the model number? I don't think we're going to be able to see that, but I think something 199 comes to mind. Anyway, we'll carry on the journey. We will get up to the next vendor for Mr. Chippie's amplifier. Well, we've got CB activity, but I don't think they're running legally. Having a chat on 19 like they do.
Right, I've got to get the ladders in the car now. Fucking hell. Good Lord, there is red. I've got London here.
We're 20 miles from our next destination.
Fucking hell, Lord, do it. Fucking hell. Oh, you were down, Laura's. Now I'm fine now. Like so, you can't watch all the telly around there. Fucking can't sit there. I have my fire stick, but it ain't the same. You can do it there. Yeah, that's what you need. Just shut in there, it should be alright.
So we are in Loughbrough, and we're going to go and pick up this amplifier for Mr. Chippie. Is it a Marshall one, Mr. Chippie?
It is.
Good. Of course, we're stuck at the traffic lights.
In 200 yards, speed camera.
Looks like the former fire station. Of course, there's a big tower at the back. Yeah, I wonder what he was waiting for. I remember coming to the KFC here. I heard on the radio, it's about 10 years ago, that the KFC in Loughbrough had reopened after a deep cleanse after having been condemned by the council as unhygienic. I thought, well, that's a good idea. I'm going to Leicester, and so I'll call in at Loughborough and have a KFC, knowing that it was freshly reopened. And I'm still here to tell the tale. Our friend Bob used to say KFC stands for can't find a chicken. And of course, Mr. Chippie's radio ham call sign, 20FKC, people used to call him the Colonel because the letters are a bit a different way right over here.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Well, it's one of his properties here. We'll come back to the camera later. So, sitting on the back seat of the car, we've got the Marshall amplifier Mr. Chippie has bought. And that concludes the video. We're now parked at Aldi. So we'll go and get... So that concludes the video, and we'll say thank you for watching the road trip to Corby and Loughborough.